So the house collecting some nice things. It's always great for harvest. I've got two kinds of basil, or three kinds of basil. I've got some Amish deer tongue lettuce, I've got coriander, some cosmic purple carrots, different types of peppers, some which I'm going to actually dry because they've just gone off a little bit, but I can still dry them, and a way bunch loads of tomatoes, all different. That's a sun gold. This is a tigerella, I think. So bunch of those, and I've got some cucumber melon as well. Cute little, look like watermelons, but they're really tasty. And the garden itself is looking good. Everything's flourishing. So it's actually, my herb garden's been taken over by my Tromboncino pumpkin, but that's okay. It will die down at some point, and then it actually gives shade to some of the herbs underneath. My parsley, coriander, and my basil's growing like crazy. Oh, Sophia, say hello. So volunteer Sophia, who's just about to leave, so she's been doing sterling work outside, gardening, and the garden itself, again, going for the more natural look. So it's kind of getting there. My peppers over here, that's my broccoli, purple sprouting broccoli still coming through for autumn. And my elderflower is here. My super duper chard over here is very tasty. And I've got a whole bunch of Russian kale here that should go right through the winter. And then my exciting things that are happening to me here is that this is my greenhouse, which is currently at 37 degrees. These are my papaya, and if I get in there, I've actually pruned them recently, and I'm hoping to get at the top here some buds for flowering. So I've had to look it up. Oh, and these are mango down here. This is my moringa tree. So all in all, tons of things growing. I'm bringing back a whole bunch of stuff back to the city, so to eat. I'm going to share garlic and other odds and ends. A bit wild over here. I left these plants in here to give a bit of a shade to the greenhouse because it's so hot. And then we've got two types of things here. This is going to be a manthus, manthra. I can't remember how to say it, but it's going to be a grain. And this is really nice. This is my moringa, which is the tree of life. You can just pick and eat straight away. Amino acids. And I've got my sweet potato here. So this is my hugelkultur. And then my kaki is coming on as well. So all in all, looks a bit overgrown, but I like that. There's lots of bugs and ladybirds and other stuff inside. Things are coming through, and next year I'll put more compost on. So